Big news just dropped for anyone using Adobe products like Photoshop or Lightroom. Adobe is facing a $150 million settlement over its cancellation policy. And here's the twist. Some users who try to cancel might now get free software. So what happened? Why did regulators step in? And what does this mean for us? Let's break it down. This goes back to 2024 when the US Department of Justice and the FTC sued Adobe over its subscription model, especially the annual plan paid monthly. It sounded flexible, but users ran into issues when trying to cancel early. The biggest complaints were hidden cancellation fees and unclear terms. Some users reported paying up to 50% of the remaining subscription just to get out. On top of that, the cancellation process itself was frustrating. Multiple steps, repeated confirmations, and pressure to stay subscribed. Regulators argued this violated consumer protection laws that requires companies to be clear and make cancellations easy. According to them, Adobe wasn't meeting that standard. Now, fast forward to March 2026, Adobe agreed to a $150 million settlement. Half is a fine and the other half will go back to users, not as cash, but as free services. Adobe hasn't admitted wrongdoing though. They say the terms were always clear and transparent and they've already improved the process, but they still chose to settle. Some details are still unclear. The deal needs final court approval, and we don't know yet who exactly will be qualified for free software or when it will roll out. As part of the settlement, Adobe must clearly show cancellation fees upfront, explain how they've calculated, send reminders before trials turn into paid plans, and make cancellation much easier. It isn't just about Adobe, it's about the entire subscription model. Adobe helped popularize subscriptions and now they're everywhere. The problem is simple. Companies love steady income, but users hate feeling locked in. This case sends a message. Confusing terms and hard cancellations won't fly anymore. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you've cancelled early before, you might be eligible for free software once details are finalized. And going forward, cancelling should be simpler and more transparent. This could also ripple across our industry. Other subscription services, including creative tools and AI platforms, may face similar pressure to clean things up. The era of hard-to-cancel subscriptions is being changed. And that is something that every artist should be watching. This is Reza, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.